got onto Trade Me and I found cutest little camper van, and I went to go see it today, and I love it, and I decided that that is my van, so I'm gonna pick it up on Monday. So I haven't been vlogging the last couple of days because I've been sick, but just to kind of catch up, so I got my van. When I got it, it was definitely like a 25-year-old boy had been living in it, you know, like the sheets and the bedding were disgusting and everything was just kind of boring and gross. So I've been spending the last couple days getting stuff to make it cuter and more something I can live in, which is cost a fair bit of money and taken a lot of time. So that's what I've been doing the last couple of days. So after 4 grueling days of trying to get this camper van together and trying to make it livable, it's done. I'm making my first meal here in this camper van. It's nighttime, so I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm just making a peanut butter sandwich and listening to the birds screech outside my window, and it feels like I'm in New Zealand finally. Alright guys, so I've got my van totally ready, and I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. So introducing Clifford, the big red van. Down here we've got my propane stove and gas tank, self-contained toilet, and then I've got my water and gray water tanks over here. And then I've got this basket that's nailed down to the table. Got myself a little battery-powered light for some extra light, and installed a cute little meter here. Down here we've got this sliding door, which is built so you can get in but things don't fall out when you're driving. And I've got my carbon monoxide detector and my gas detector as well. So I string up these fairy lights. They're solar powered fairy lights, so I just stick this little thing here within the sunlight throughout the day, and then at night the fairy lights turn on. So if you want more van videos about how I live in this tiny space, or more information on freedom camping or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.